In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to control ad blocking with Brave Shields, per site and global settings. Brave Shields is built right into the browser, and by default, it blocks third-party ads and trackers on the sites you visit. That means you get a cleaner, faster experience without installing extra extensions. But sometimes you'll want more control, maybe a site needs ads to function properly, or you want stronger blocking across all sites. I'll show you how to manage both per site and global settings in a simple, clear way. Let's start with controls for a single website. First, go to the site you want to adjust. Look at the address bar and find the lion-shaped shields icon. Click it to open the panel. At the very top, you'll see the main switch. Turn it on to enable shields for this site, which blocks ads and trackers, or turn it off to allow ads on this specific site. This change applies only to the website you're on. Everything else stays as it was. If you're turning shields off, just remember you're allowing that site to load ads and some trackers. If you turn it back on, Brave resumes blocking. You can toggle this anytime, and you'll usually see the page reflect the change right away. Now let's set your global preference, which affects all sites by default. Open the main menu in the top right corner of Brave, the three horizontal lines, and choose Settings. In the left sidebar, click Shields. On mobile, this may be labeled Brave Shields and Privacy. Within that section, find Trackers and Ad Blocking. You'll see two levels you can choose from. Standard is the default and aims for a balanced experience. Solid privacy and fewer breakages. Aggressive blocks more, including some first-party ads, and can deliver a stricter experience, but it might cause certain pages or features to misbehave. If you try aggressive and something on a site doesn't load correctly, you can switch back to standard globally or simply use the per site toggle we covered earlier to relax protections on that one site while keeping stronger blocking elsewhere. That way you get the best of both worlds, a secure default and quick site-specific flexibility when you need it. To recap, use the Shields icon in the address bar to turn protections on or off for just the site you're visiting, and use settings to choose standard or aggressive for your overall browsing. With these options, you can fine-tune Brave to match your comfort level with privacy and compatibility, all with just a few clicks.